Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to view your offline sheets in the Google Sheet application. But before I do that, I wanna say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application here. I'm currently signing into my fresh, brand new account, which I freshly created only for these videos. Well, let's say I have saved some sheets for offline mode if I ever go offline, but I can't find those. How can I find those files? Well, what you're gonna do is pretty simple. What you're gonna do is click on these three lines at the top left corner of your phone. Click on those. After that, you have the fourth option here called offline. You are going to tap on that option. And here all of your offline sheets will appear. I don't have many here because, as I said, this account is brand new, but if you have any, they will all appear here. I can guarantee you that. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.